Ramadan Kareem everyone! This is our simple but meaningful way of celebrating Eid al-Fitr kahit simple lang. Punong-puno naman ng saya at pagmamahal. Yesterday, we went to Galleria Mall. Wala kaming specific plan, gusto lang talaga namin maglakad-lakad, mag-relax at i-enjoy ang moment. I was with Yosef, Ate Darden and Abdullah. At kahit yun pa lang, sapat na para maging special ang araw. At first, plano talaga namin kumain sa isang Korean restaurant. We were so excited, pero bigla kaming napunta sa Urban Walk. Kaya naglalakad. Instead, and honestly, it was a great choice. The food was really good. We ordered pad thai, green curry, a burger, at isang salad na parang atsara. For Yosef naman, we got a happy meal at sobrang sayang niya. Yung smile niya is priceless talaga. After eating, sobrang busog na kami, but still, walk around, napuntuhan, nagtawanan, at in-enjoy lang naman ang bawat sandali. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam kahit hindi bongga, masaya basta't magkakasama. It wasn't a grand celebration, pero puno naman ng love, laughter, at beautiful memories. At yun, ang mas mahalaga.